In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Ecwid store in this beginner's tutorial for 2025. If you're looking to create an online storefront and are new to Ecwid, you're in the right place. Trust me, it's a straightforward process that you can follow step by step to get your store up and running. First, you'll want to start by opening your Ecwid control panel. Open a web browser and head to the Ecwid website. Once you've logged into your account, you're going to be greeted by the dashboard that acts as your command center. The dashboard is intuitive and it's where you'll manage all aspects of your store. With your control panel in view, let's start by entering the catalog section to add products to your store. Click on the catalog button. Now, this is where you'll manage all your products and you want to add products that appeal to your customers. It could be a physical good, a service, or even a digital download like an ebook. Ensure you fill out detailed product descriptions and add high quality images because a picture truly is worth 1,000 words, especially in e-commerce. Don't rush through this step. Accurate descriptions and engaging images can significantly impact your sales. Next, we'll move to set up payments, which is a crucial part of creating your online store. Navigate to the payment section. Here you can choose how you want to get paid. You'll find various options like credit cards, PayPal, and other payment gateways. Choose the ones that are convenient for both you and your customers. If you're uncertain about the best payment methods, a little research into what your target customers prefer can go a long way. Now, on to shipping and pickup details. This is where you'll handle how your products will reach your customers. Click on shipping and pickup. You have various options ranging from standard courier services to providing local pickup for nearby customers. Define shipping rates and times clearly to avoid confusion and ensure customer satisfaction. Make sure you consider packaging costs and potential international shipping if you're planning to sell globally. These settings help make up the backbone of your store. When everything is set up correctly, it not only makes your store look professional, but also builds trust with your customers. So pay attention to every detail and feel free to revisit these sections as your business grows and needs change. So there you have it, folks. With these few steps, you're on your way to opening your very own Ecwid store. If you have any questions or need further clarification as you set up your store, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.